Check your shingle repair after rain by combining an attic inspection with an external roof and flashing check to verify no new water is entering. Start in the attic and look for any fresh water stains or damp insulation directly above the repaired area, because a roof leak often shows itself there before any ceiling damage appears. Inspect the replaced shingle from the roof edge and from a safe ladder position to confirm it sits flush with adjacent shingles and the sealant or cement has not washed away. Examine the nail heads around the repair to ensure they are properly seated and not back out nails that can allow water entry. Check the valleys and flashing near vents and chimneys where water tends to migrate and pool, and press gently on caulked areas to see if they feel soft or lose adhesion. After a heavy rain, use a flashlight in the attic at night to spot small pinhole drips and trace wet paths back to the source for precise localization. Keep a simple log with dates, weather conditions, photos, and notes so you can track whether the area remains dry over subsequent storms and detect slow leaks early. Homeowners often assume a single visual check from the ground is enough, which misses attic leaks and improperly seated shingles. Get onto a ladder and peer closely or hire a pro if you are not comfortable. Another common issue is relying solely on caulking instead of correct shingle overlap and proper flashing, so ensure mechanical fastening and correct layering are used and reapply sealant only as a supplement. Finally, people forget to monitor after the first storm. Thinking repair held, watch the area through several rains and use attic inspections and a log to confirm lasting success. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find new work by listing projects and responses. We also host a discussion community where we share real report-back experiences so our members can learn from each other.